Hello, I'm Kylie Charlton of the Hodges Real Estate Group, and I'm really excited to bring you number 18 Burt Crescent in Hampton East. You can upsize or you can downsize. This is the perfect single level home. Let's go take a look. Here we have 4 bedrooms, 2 at the front of the home and a separate child's wing at the rear of the home. The master bedroom has an ensuite and walk-in robe and is enormous. There is a formal lounge room at the front and a huge informal kitchen, living and meals area at the rear that opens on to that back alfresco decking. The kitchen is the hub of the home with brand new Bosch appliances and an island bench for entertaining. The children's wing has the laundry, main bathroom and both bedrooms are great sizes with built-in robes. The front yard is enclosed. If you have animals or kids, they can run from the front to the back of the home. There's also a double garage and driveway. We have ducted heating and split system cooling as well. Burt Crescent in Hampton East is located so close to the beach, local shops, cafes, and obviously the schools around here too. You can walk to the Little Elephant Cafe, or the owner actually said that she walks to the Thomas Street Grocery. This is the perfect package of single level living. You could be settled and living here, enjoying this amazing alfresco area just in time for summer. It wraps all around the side. I look forward to seeing you at our next open for inspection. I'm Kylie Charlton.